All right, good afternoon. This is Mario with Smitty Sewer Service, 15300 Southwest Royalty Parkway. Going down a 4-inch existing cleanout. We'll reset counter to 0. 4-inch cast iron. Our replacement was beginning with 3034 4-inch out by the pump island. Coming up on our repair, 4x4 shear band Pkwy with a bushing, 3034. We have a Y picking up an old sewer line, servicing grease trap. Continuing downstream. Coming up on an 11 1/4 and a 22, going into 4-inch permaliner, and then dropping into the city main there.